Max and the Floating Island. Max was an adventurous boy who always dreamed of exploring magical places. One summer morning, while he was playing by the river, he spotted something strange. A small island floating in the air, hovering just above the water. Excited, Max swam over and climbed up. The island was like nothing he'd ever seen. Flowers that glowed, rivers that sparkled, and birds that sang in gentle voices. As Max explored, the island showed him all its wonders. He found fields of glowing flowers and lakes with waters that reflected the stars, even in the daytime. The floating island taught Max that there are endless adventures waiting for those brave enough to look for them. Max learned that curiosity was his greatest gift and promised himself to always keep discovering new things. After his adventure, he knew he didn't need a magical island to find wonder. He just needed his imagination and a big heart. The world was full of new places, friends, and stories, all waiting just for him.